Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Mocha iced coffee from Tim Hortons. So I've been trying to make this stuff mix into it, and despite all my attempts it's not working out. I let this sit, I use a spoon to stir it around, but this is still condensating on the bottom, which is obviously a problem because it's supposed to be mixed in with it, so I'm not sure if they did it correctly, but it's supposed to be a Mocha iced coffee. And yeah, I'm a little confused about this, but I'm gonna get right ahead here. Absolutely no taste of mocha. It just tastes like coffee with cream in it. And there's no sweetness, it's quite bitter, and it does have a creamy taste, and it's very creamy looking. But it pretty much tastes as if it was a black coffee. And I like black coffee. I don't like black coffee with a bunch of cream and nothing else in it. There's no sweetness. And this, like, I don't know how, but it's just a solid, like, syrup at the bottom. I believe it's supposed to mix in. It's a little bit weird, but I don't know. I don't even know if I can give a review on this out of 10 because I'm not actually getting a real mocha iced coffee. So I might have to redo this video another time and actually hope that it mixes in. I had a caramel one the other day and it mixed in very well. Tasted really good. This one just tastes like a black coffee with cream. It's not that great, by the way. So yep, nothing. It's weird. So I'll even try mixing this around just to show you. It doesn't mix in. Just sticks to the bottom, oddly. So yeah, that's weird. Don't know what to say about it. Black coffee with cream is like a 3 out of 10. It's not amazing. I'd rather just straight up black than have just cream in it. It's a little weird, but yeah. Maybe this is advice not to get a mocha iced coffee. I don't know. I'll do another video on this in the future. I'll try ordering it again. But I think the same thing. They just don't have a good mixture. And I was told to get this by someone that works there. I was asking for a recommendation. They said this or the caramel one. I got the caramel one last time. Got the mocha one this time. Disappointed. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.